In this video, we're going to review a plugin that is called Enhancements for WooCommerce. Hi, my name is Stratos and I create video tutorials about WordPress. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. As we've said, the Enhance for WooCommerce is a plugin that basically adds functionality inside WooCommerce. This is a plugin that will enable you to add those functions just by switching on and off some buttons. I like using this kind of plugin instead of just snippet codes because maybe a snippet that you have added stopped working because a plugin does updates and thus snippet is not working anymore. So if you have multiple websites, then you must go to every website and use the update snippet code in order to fix that problem. But if you have a plugin like this, then you can just update the plugin and it will fix the code for you. So let's see first the website, and I will put all the links in the description below, and as always, those are not affiliate links. As you can see, it says that you can enhance your WooCommerce store, and basically there's no point on installing this plugin if you don't have a WooCommerce store. Let's scroll down. These are the features. You will see that there are multiple features. Those that are with the white background, those are in the free version, and those in the orange background, as it says here, are in the pro version. So as you can see, there are many features here. I'm not going to read them out loud, but we're going to see some of those in the review. And if you want just to see the review, you can skip ahead and go to the end of the video. These are the prices. So the free version gives you 29 features. And then we have the premium one site, which costs 29.99 euros. Then we have the 5 sites for 49.99 and 50 sites 99.99 euros. The pro version will give you 26 features addition to the free 29 features. And of course, when the plugin matures and gets more features, you will get everything for the pro version. You have 30 days for the free trial, and here you can set the free trial package to install in your website and then keep that and just put your code. Okay, let's close that to save some space. And this is the free version, as you can see, Enhancements for WooCommerce. This is their logo. You can search the version in the WordPress repository. Version 1.0.1, as you can see, it's a new plugin. And the company behind the plugin, I know one person inside the company. He's very active in the Facebook community. He's always helping other guys to solve a WordPress problem. And I know that they have created this plugin in order to use it in their own websites and for their own clients, and also they are selling it out to help other people as well. Let's scroll down to see all the free features, as you can see here, and if you scroll down enough, you will see also the pro features here. And I'm going to close that as well. This is the website that we're going to play with. This is basically a Blocksy theme that has installed the free template from Blocksy. And this is the dashboard of the plugin. As you can see here in the left column, we have General, Cart, Checkout, Product Archive, Single Product Page, Thank You Page, Admin Dashboard, and My Account. This is basically where the snippets or the features will be affecting to. Okay, in general, we have catalog mode and inquiry form. If you don't know what is a catalog mode, basically it will remove the capability of your clients to buy from your website. You have WooCommerce and everything is inside categories. All the products have prices, descriptions, images, but the clients will not be able to buy. This is just for you to show your catalog to the clients. So if we go into the website, as you can see here, we have buttons that says add to basket. I'm going to refresh that just to see that it's not changing. And I'm going to open also the daily chair product. Here is the daily chair product with the add to cart, add to basket button. And if I go here and activate this one, it will switch into on. Maybe it needs a refresh because I have made a few tests today. Okay, now it's on. You don't have to save. Let's go back here and I'm going to refresh. And now, as you can see, all the buttons says read more because you cannot add them into basket anymore. In the single product page, if I refresh here, you will see that this button has been removed. Okay, let's go back here. And as you can see, it says form heading and here form shortcode. This is the heading that you can see here. And basically here you can add the shortcode of a form, and this will be an inquiry form. So if the visitor is interested in a product, he can send you an email about that product. Of course, since this is shortcode, you can use any form plugin that you want. All the forms that I know in WordPress have a shortcode that you can use in any page. And this is something that you can add here as well. I'm going to disable that. And let's go to the next one, which is change add to cart button text to something else. So you can add here, you can say buy now, you can press save, and then if you go and refresh here, instead of read more or add to basket that was previous, now it says buy now. The same goes to the single product as well, of course. It says buy now. So pretty straightforward, everything that you can see here, and then we have a description here that reminds you what this actually does. If you want to know more, click here for the info, and then you will have a pop-up that will say some information about that feature. Let's close that. Variable product price range text. So if you have a variable product that has multiple pricing because it's a different size, let's say in a t-shirt, then you can change the text for that price range. Change zero prices from 0 to free or other. It means that you can just type anything that you want or just type free. Let's disable that. Disable hook cart fragments. So in the homepage, if you don't have any products shown, then you can disable that. You can basically not allow WooCommerce to load anything inside your homepage because you're not showing products. So basically, it will speed up your website. Disable all shipping methods when free shipping is enabled and keep local pickup. Now, I don't know why the core version of WooCommerce doesn't do that. Let's go and see what that means. Let's add here this one, daily chair, to the basket, and let's open that in a new page. So here I have the checkout, and I have free shipping, local pickup, and shipping that costs $10. Why do I have the free shipping and the shipping here, and I can choose what I want? I don't think that anyone would like to pay here the shipping and have something added in his price when he has the free shipping version here. Again, this is for the core version of WooCommerce. So let's go into the settings, and here if I go into the shipping, I will see that I have 3 shipping methods: free shipping, local pickup, and shipping. And inside the free shipping, let's edit that, and you will see that the minimum order amount is $10. That means that the free shipping will be added once you exceed that amount. But from the core settings, it will not disable the cost of the shipping. So this is, I think, stupid, and it should be done automatically, but we have it here. So if you enable that here, and let's go into the shop page, the checkout. I'm going to refresh, but I think that I need also to make another adjustment. Yeah, I have to also go back into the basket just to refresh here. Let's do something like update cart. And now, as you can see, I don't have any more the shipping method. Proceed to checkout. I have just the free shipping and the local pickup. This is how it's supposed to be done. Okay, let's disable that. Added a second stock location. So I'm going to enable that. Let's go into the product here, this one, and I'm going to edit the product. And I think I have already opened a product. Here in the inventory, as you can see, I have just the quantity here. But now that I have activate that feature, if I go to inventory, I have the second stock location. This means that I have a second stock location. Of course, that can have 10 more products of that. So whenever someone buys a product, the quantity first will be reduced to 0, and then it starts reducing from the second stock location. Let's go back to the features. Here they are. I'm going to disable that. Next one is add shipping info to products. So you can add something to show for the products, like 4 or 5 days. I'm going to enable that in order to see it. Let's disable that. Okay, I have typed delivery estimated here, and this is a bug that I found. You have to add a space. If you don't do that and just save, you will see that it will not leave a space between the prefix text and the text that you have added in the single product. But again, this is a bug. You can just add a space here and get rid of it. Let's go and refresh here the page. And here in the general, you can see the shipping info, 4 days. I have added here. Let's update, and then let's go back into the single page product. I'm going to refresh and says delivery estimated 4 days. This is the space that I'm talking about. You should add the space here, but I'm sure they will fix it soon. Okay, let's go back here. I'm going to disable that. Delete product image. I think this is crucial, especially for those that are building websites for clients. You will give the website to your client and he will add products. But once he starts deleting the products, he will not delete the images because no one does that. And those images will stay inside WordPress and it will take up space. And this product actually deletes the images that are attached to that product whenever the delete permanently, of course, is active and someone deletes the product. Then we have the estimated delivery dates that you can add inside your settings of WooCommerce. And as you can see, I have estimated delivery date. And then I have to go into the settings of WooCommerce. This is the one. I'm going into the shipping. I'm going to edit that. And I have here, no, I have first to refresh. Let's refresh, and then here into the shipping, I'm going to edit that, and I have here days to deliver. So this is the message, days to deliver, and it says 3 days, and that's the estimation number of days that it takes for this shipping method to be delivered to the client. This will automatically calculate the date that the products will be delivered. So if I go to the checkout now and go and refresh, it will say estimated delivery date and it's October 23rd. Let's go back and let's disable that. Then we have display the amount saved on cart and checkout. So if a product is on sale, then you can have something that says amount saved or something else, and that will be displayed in the checkout. Let's go here. No, here. I'm going to put that in sale price. It is on sale price already. So let's go back to the checkout where it is here. I'm going to refresh, and now I have the amount saved, and this is $40. Okay, I'm going to disable that. Let's go to the next one, which will be the cart. Back order notification, so it will display a message when at least one product is in the cart is on back order. Custom cart message, so you can add anything you want in the cart, like a message. Message on specific products, as it says, it shows a custom message only when you have chosen a product that is added in the cart. Display order total weight, so you can show the total weight on the cart page. Display stock availability. Message on empty cart, so it doesn't display the default, but you can change that to something different. Update cart on quantity selection. Now, if your theme doesn't do that, I think that this is great. You don't have to go into the cart page and then refresh every time you change the volume, the quantity. So if I do that and I have to here update the cart, this does it automatically. Now, Blocksy has that feature in the Pro version, I think, but for other themes, then you can just enable that and do that automatically. Change your cart is currently empty text. Empty cart button, so you just have a button to empty your cart. Amount left for free shipping. I think that this is also great. This is something that it will push visitors in order to buy more products to get the free shipping, and it will display the amount left for the shipping in order to get the free shipping. And minimum order amount, it shows a message if you have set in the settings, and of course here the order amount, the minimum order amount in order to get your products. Let's go for the checkout, and these all are the features for the checkout page. Add heading on checkout payment section, so you can add heading. Change checkout field labels. You can change those labels. I think that here we have also the change the order. Shipping heading, so you have a heading different to those labels that you have by default. Continue shopping message, so it shows a button and then you can show the message that you want inside the button in order to go to the shop page to continue shopping. Move email on top, so you can have the email field on top, and this is good because you want to capture the email, and even if someone leaves your website, if he has put your email, maybe you are able to capture that. Remove checkout fields, so you can choose the fields that you want to remove. Remove shipping form on local pickup. If someone choose local pickup, so he doesn't have to go and select the address and everything else, because he's going to pick up from your store. Rename place order button to something else. Rename place order on bucks or COD. So this means that back orders or cash on delivery. Add the shipping phone field, so you can add, as it says, a field that it's for phone numbers. Replace state field. This works in Greece. Fraud protection, and here you can add one or more emails, and it will remove the capability for that email to be able to shop. So if someone makes an order from an email and probably on cash on delivery, so he will not pay for that, and he's not going to accept the order, and you have to pay money for the delivery guys in order to get that order to him, but he's not going to accept it. So then you can add his email inside a field, and he will not be able to buy from you with the same email. Product quantity at checkout. It will place a quantity selector at checkout, so you can add multiple products in checkout. You don't have to go back into the cart page in order to add or remove the volume of your products. Reorder checkout fields. So this is a pro feature, and you can change the order of the checkout fields as it says. Product archive page. So here are all the features that you can enable in the product archive, and of course the product category pages. Message when on back order. So if a product is on back order, you can show the message instead of the add to cart button. So units sold. So of course you can show how many units have sold for that product. Display a specific product attribute. So it displays a specific attribute valued on the page, and you can use this CSS in order to modify how it looks. Sales ends timer, so it displays a timer that shows when the sales ends. And of course, in order to get that, you have also to go activate the sales price and then schedule that in order to end in a day or two, or the date that you want. Then we have also the display stock status, so it will basically display the stock status on the product archive page. Single product page. We have the add back to category button, so it will add the button that goes back to the main category of the product. Auto apply a coupon with the checkbox. It will enable you to show your customer a checkbox that he can click to auto apply a coupon. Button text on back order. You can change the add to cart button text for a product that is on back order. Change related product headings. You can change, of course, the headings that are for related products. Display you save sales price into the single product. So if I enable that, because I have already activate the offer here, it will say that I saved $20 because now it's in an offer. Let's go back here. I'm going to disable that. Stock quantity suffix, so you can add something for the suffix of the stock. Turn sales badge to a countdown, so it will add a timer that counts down in order to show when the sales end. And again, for that to have it activated, it needs also to schedule when the sales ends. Then we have the display shipping methods, and here you can add into the single product page to show all the shipping methods available for that product. Let's change to the thank you page now. We have the place a survey in the thank you page. If you activate that, then you have the form shortcode, and you can create the survey that you want and have it displayed in the thank you page after someone bought a product. But since this is a shortcode, you can basically activate and display anything that you want inside your thank you page using a shortcode. Let's disable that. Then we have the admin dashboard, and I do really like those features. Add to cart click counter. So you can enable that, and you can see in the product how many times it was added into a cart. If I go here and refresh, and of course this is just a test website, I'm not going to say anything. So you have add to cart stats here. Let's go back into the dashboard, display customer phone and email, and this is for the orders. And if I go and enable that and go for the orders, and I will see here now underneath the name, the email and the phone number directly here. Display stock history. If I activate that again into the product page, I'm going to refresh, and I'm going to see all the changes that I have into the history of the stock. So as you can see, this is when the stock was 7, and now currently the stock is 6. Let's go back into the dashboard, and then we have show total orders by customer. This is for the order page as well. If I refresh here, I will see another column that will say customer total orders, and I know that this one, the test has done 3 orders, and probably this is the one, and this is the third one. Okay, let's go back and go to my account, and as you can see into the my account, we have one feature, order again button. So the visitor can go into his account page and he will see into the orders a button that says order again, and he can click that and all the products can be added in his cart again. Of course, all the products must be available at that moment, and he will be able to just go and pay again without need to revisit every product in order to add it to cart. So we saw all the features that it has. We couldn't deep dive into all the settings because, as you can see, there are way too much features inside this plugin. If you want to see more features of this plugin, maybe you can create different videos for the different categories here. Type it in the comments below and we'll see what we can do. And for my review, I think that this is a must-have if you create WooCommerce websites for your clients. And even if you're having just your website and you are the one that built for his company and he's is selling through WooCommerce, then maybe this is something that you really can use in order to change some things in your website. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.